Hello, welcome. Let us discuss and understand how you can install and set up a Java in your Mac PC. I have noted down the steps here. Now let us discuss step by step. First thing is you can check if you already installed Java in your PC. For that you can open the terminal and give a command java-version. It will show the installed version of Java on your system. If you have not already installed, you can download the Java using Oracle website. Right, you can visit this particular link. I will provide this document in the resource section, and you can open the browser, open it, and the latest long-term supported version is JDK 21. You can go to the JDK 21 here. If you are using a Linux operating system, you go to the first tab here and you can download the required version based on your processor that you are using. And if you are using a Mac, you can use this version here. I am using Mac. What I will do is I will download this DMG installer. If you are using a Mac with Intel chip, then you need to download this. If you are using a Mac with a Mac chip, then you need to download this. To check the chip in your system, you can go to top left corner in your system, click on the Apple icon, and about this Mac. Here it will show the chip here. What is the chip? It is using a Apple chip. So I will be downloading this one, ARM, which is for Apple chip. So just click on this, it will start downloading. If it asks for login, you can create an account with your email ID and you can log in. So it is not asking for any login now. For older versions of Java, it might ask for a login. In that case, you can log in using your email ID and password. So it is downloading. Let us wait for download to complete. So download is completed now. Now you can open this folder and you can double click on this and again double click here, and it will open this installation wizard. Then click continue, then click continue. It will show here how much memory is required. You can click on continue. If you want to change the location, you can change it, but I will use a default location, and click on install, and it will ask for your password. You can enter the password of your system. So it is installing now. Let us wait for installation to complete. So installation is succeeded. Then you can close it, and the installation file you can move it to bin. Now we have downloaded and installed the Java. The next step is generally Java will be installed in this particular location. If you copy and go to this file location, if you go to this particular location, and you can see Java versions which have been installed here, right? So this is a today installed version. Now Java is installed. You need to set up the environment variables. For that, you need to determine which shell your system is using. For that, you can again open the terminal and click on echo $shell. Here it is showing bin ZSH. It means my system is using ZSH shell. Sometimes it can show bash for you, right? Bin bash. It means your system is using bash profile. Older versions of the Mac will be using bash profile. Later versions will be generally using this ZSH. It means they are using this particular file for configuration. So we need to edit that file, right? If you are using if it shows a ZSH, then you need to edit this particular file, ZSHRC. If it is showing a output as bin/bash for this particular command, then you need to edit this particular file, bash profile. So for me, it is showing this particular output, so I will edit this particular file, right? For that, what I can do is go to terminal, type nano, then tilde /.zshrc, type this and open. Now this particular file will open, and you need to add these two lines to your file. Add these two lines like this, and then to save you need to press Ctrl O and then enter, and then to close press Ctrl X, Ctrl O, enter, and then you can press Y and then enter. It will save. And to load the latest changes to this file, you can type source /.zshrc. It means in this terminal you can load the latest changes. You can also use another command to edit the file. Open -e means edit mode .zshrc hrc. It will open the file, and you can make the you can add the lines here, and then you can control S. It will save the file, right? Then you can close it by clicking this red icon here. So in this open -zshrc, this command also you can use it. You can verify once setup is done. You can verify echo $java_home whether this path is showing properly or not. See, you can show here like this. It should show the path of your Java installation location. Once you make the changes to the file, it should be showing this particular location where your Java is installed once you provide this command, right? You can also check Java version, Java-version. It will show the version of Java that is been installed on your system here, right? So now you can test whether it is working or not. Once installation and verification is done, finally you can test whether your Java installation is working or not. For that, you can create a sample program. You can open the terminal and you can provide this command to create the file. I'll say nano hello world.java. You can provide this file name like this. Any file name you can give. I am just giving here hello world.java. It will create this file and it will open the file. Now you can add the content to this file, the program. This is sample program. It will print this particular message, hello Java on Mac, like this. So you can copy this simple code and you can paste it here, and then Control O to save, enter, and then Control X to close, right? Now Java file is created. Check your present working directory, pwd. This is your present working directory. If you go and open here this particular path, let me open that path. You can see here hello world.java is created here, right? Now once I compile, it will create a class file. We have discussed earlier that once Java program is compiled, it will create a .class file. You can verify that using the javac command, javac compile and the program name. This is the program name, right? Hello world.java, that is a file name. You can use this particular command like this to compile, right? It will compile now. You can observe here now there is no class file. Once I compile, this compilation is done. You can see here class file got created, and this class file will run now once you run the program. To run the program, you can say Java and the file name hello world.java, enter. You can see here it has printed this output, hello Java on Mac. It means our installation of Java is successful and it is working fine. For installing a Java on Windows, we will discuss it separately, or I will provide another document and I will attach this document in the resource section. Thank you for watching.